Hey guys and girls, welcome to Learn Dutch Conversation Lessons by ifactoner.com. In lesson number 6, we will be learning how to express ourselves when we are enthusiastic. Enthusiastic is called enthusiast or enthusiast in Dutch. Enthusiast. Enthusiast. Let's start our lesson. Enthusiastic. Enthusiast. I am very enthusiastic about this opportunity. Ik ben zeer enthousiast over deze kans. Kans is also chance or opportunity. Ik ben zeer enthousiast over deze kans. Ik ben zeer enthousiast over deze kans. So it's V is between V and F and V. It's offer. Offer deze kans. Ik ben zeer enthousiast over deze kans. I am very enthusiastic about this opportunity. She is enthusiastic about her education. Zij is enthusiast over haar opleiding. Zij is enthousiast over haar opleiding. Opleiding is education. Haar is for her. Zij is enthusiast over haar opleiding. And when we would like to say he is enthusiastic about his education, then we would write hij is enthusiast over zijn. It's his means zijn. Hij is enthusiast over zijn opleiding. I am an enthusiastic individual. Ik ben een enthousiaste persoon. Ik ben een enthousiaste persoon. Ik ben een enthousiaste persoon. I am an enthusiastic individual. His brother is very enthusiastic about football. Zijn broer is zeer enthusiast over football. Football. Zijn broer is zeer enthousiast over football. Zijn broer is zeer enthousiast over football. Zijn broer, broer. It's R with thrill on both the sides. Zijn broer is zeer enthousiast over football. Shena is enthusiastic about shopping. Shena is enthusiast over winkelen. Shena is enthusiast over winkelen. Shena is enthusiast over winkelen. Shena is enthusiastic about shopping. So guys and girls, let's begin our practice session. I will be speaking in English and you will be speaking in Dutch. And please do it in a clear, loud voice. Enthusiastic. Yes, enthusiast. Not E in, it's an. More closer to an. Enthusiast. I am very enthusiastic about this opportunity. Yes, ik ben zeer enthousiast over deze kans. She is enthusiastic about her education. Yes, zij is enthousiast over haar opleiding. And if I say he is enthusiastic about his education, then what would you say. Yes, Hai is enthusiast over sein Obleiding. I am an enthusiastic individual. Ik ben een enthousiaste persoon. Good. His brother is very enthusiastic about football. Sein, Z-Y-N. So you always try to read it as Z-Y-N, Sein. Yes, sein Bruder is sehr enthusiast over football. Football. Sheena is enthusiastic about shopping. Yes, Sheena is enthusiast over winkelen. So guys and girls, now I will repeat only the Dutch version of this lesson. So please listen carefully. Enthusiast. Ik ben zeer enthousiast over deze kans. Zij is enthousiast over haar opleiding. Ik ben een enthousiaste persoon. Zijn broer is zeer enthousiast over voetbal. Sheena is enthusiast over winkelen. So guys and girls, if you would like to download the PDF and presentation of this lesson, then please visit us on ifectner.com. If you liked this lesson, then please give us a thumbs up. I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, take care. Dag. Doei.